How to replace an empty ink tank on a Canon iP4500 series. When one of your ink tank is running low or empty, you will need to replace it with a newer one in order for your printer to continue to print. First, you can open up the top and wait for your printer head to position itself in the center of the printer. Now remove an empty ink tank. So in this example, we have an empty black ink tank, so we'll replace it with a newer one. Now close the lid, and your ink tank has been replaced, and you can now start to print out on the Canon printer.